Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of June 2025, our system has identified Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.36. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops on the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating further upward movement within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 36.67% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 25.4% and 65.26%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 26.02%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 4.68% to positive 109.29% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $306.97 and $674.01. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock upgraded from sell candidate to buy candidate after Wednesday trading session. The Tesla stock price increased by 1.8% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of June 2025. The price rose from $316.35 to $322.05. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.39%, with a day low of $315.45 and a day high of $329.30. Although the price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, it is still down by 3.01% for this period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day, along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 8 million more shares were traded compared to the day before, with a total of 94 million shares bought and sold for approximately $30.37 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stop price was $488.54, while the lowest price was $179.66. Currently, the price is 34.08%, or $166.49, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's recent trajectory has been marked by significant volatility. After a strong recovery in late 2023 and early 2024, the stock faced a downturn in the first quarter of 2025, plummeting by 41.5% before rallying back, gaining over 45% by late May. Investors are now looking to the upcoming launch of Tesla's robotaxi as a potential catalyst for further recovery. However, recent downgrades from Argus and Goldman Sachs have introduced concerns, highlighting deteriorating fundamentals and a declining market share, particularly in the United States and Europe. Analyst sentiment is mixed, with a median price target of $286.14, suggesting an 11% downside from current levels. The bearish outlook by Guggenheim, which cites soft delivery trends, contrasts with a more optimistic price target of $352.99 from another analysis based on projected revenue growth. As Tesla navigates rising competition from companies like Amazon Zoox and faces challenges with deliveries, the market is closely watching production output and technological advancements. Many analysts remain cautious, advising potential investors to critically assess price targets and conduct their own evaluations. In the short term, the stock's performance will likely be influenced by the launch of new products and shifts in the macroeconomic environment. Long-term growth depends on Tesla's ability to innovate and stabilize its market position amid increasing competition in the electric vehicle landscape. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned TSLA a sell grade while recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TSLA an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TSLA an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned TSLA a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. In contrast, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, resulting in a positive forecast. If the stock continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $323.50. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at roughly $321.56. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will initiate a sell signal. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and to date, the stock has decreased by 11.25%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 90 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a sell opportunity 11 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.70 and $282.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $284.70. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $13.85 between high and low, or 4.39%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.26%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 430 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $326.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $284.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June, 2025, Zhu Xiaotong executed an insider sale of 15,000 shares of non-qualified stock options. On the same day, Zhu Xiaotong also conducted an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 12th of June, 2025, Zhu Xiaotong sold another 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, TSLA Vaibhav executed an insider sale of 6,538 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, TSLA Vaibhav conducted an insider purchase of 6,538 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 53.154. Overall, insiders acquired 1,117,872 shares and divested 3,760,826 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $305.50, reflecting a decrease of 5.14%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal derived from a pivot top identified 16 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of June, we anticipate Tesla will open higher by approximately 21 cents and begin trading at $322.27. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.